Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on the first Monday of May in the year 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining short-term trend, indicating that further declines are anticipated. Over the next 3 months, our analysis suggests a potential decrease of approximately 54.67%, with possible returns ranging from -79.43% to -34.40%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month forecast points to a projected change of 52.93%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might fluctuate between 20.88% and 404.50% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $3.88 to $16.19. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: Weaker technical forecast for BigBear.ai Holdings as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 4.46% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, falling from $3.36 to $3.21. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated 8.44%, reaching a low of $3.08 and a high of $3.34. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 34.31% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume declined alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow stock movements. The trading volume fell by 28 million shares, leading to a total of 62 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $197.71 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 68.99%, or $7.14, below the 52-week high, and 80.09%, or $12.91, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. Today, multiple legal notices have emerged regarding BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol BBAI. A flurry of class action lawsuits has been filed against the company, alleging potential violations of federal securities laws. Shareholder advocates are urging anyone who incurred losses on their BBAI investments to explore their options for recovery, as various law firms are now actively accepting inquiries from affected investors. The legal implications could significantly impact BBAI's stock price in both the short and long term. In the immediate future, investor sentiment may take a hit due to the heightened uncertainty surrounding ongoing litigation, potentially causing a decline in stock value as shareholders may rush to sell. This is often exacerbated during such legal standoffs, as the market typically reacts negatively to potential liabilities. Looking further ahead, if the class actions lead to a finding of wrongdoing, BBAI could face substantial financial penalties and reputational damage, which may hinder future growth prospects and investor confidence. Conversely, if the company resolves these issues favorably, it may return stability to its stock. However, the current wave of legal challenges is likely to keep the stock on investors' watch lists as they assess the long-term implications of these lawsuits. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $3.43. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $3.02. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 10.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 119 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.04 and $2.97. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $3.04. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.97 and $2.57. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 260 cents between high and low, or 8.44%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.04. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond made an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn also executed an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Peffer Julie made an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.866. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open lower by 0 and start trading at $3.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.